The equipment rental industry is consistently impacted by change. Technology's transformed the way we all do business, requiring rental companies to enhance the tools and analytics that are available to help customers gain greater control over their business operations. We've also seen an uptick in government infrastructure spending that's created a greater demand for the rental equipment required for more long-term projects across the country. And though it's not a change, the persistent shortage of skilled labor continues to impact the industry, highlighting the need to support both recruitment initiatives for careers in the trades and accessibility to automated solutions that will help companies fill gaps in their workforce. ReadyArc continues to invest in our business to ensure we're in position to support our customers as best as possible. We're leveraging data to find opportunities to be more efficient in our own processes, and those efficiencies will in turn change the way we operate, allowing us to create a better experience for our customers. In terms of equipment and availability, our teams are constantly engaging with OEMs to learn more about new solutions that are available on the market. As we add more technologically advanced equipment to our fleet and continue to optimize our current equipment offer, our customers will benefit from having access to a diverse range of products that enable them to work more efficiently. Automation is also playing a huge role in our aspirations to deliver more value to our customers. Our extensive automation offer, backed by welding and automation specialists, are helping customers navigate the challenges they're facing due to labor shortages. Our equipment solutions aid in increasing production capacities, and many are designed with ease of use for the operator in mind. We also know our customers need flexible options when acquiring equipment, and we aim to bring those options with our rent, lease, and purchase programs. Providing excellent service to our customers is at the heart of everything that we do. Our business is not just about renting or leasing equipment. We strive to build a relationship with our customers by actively listening to gain a clear understanding of their specific needs and collaborating with them throughout each stage of their project to ensure that they have the equipment they need when and where they need it. The entire ReadyArc team shares the same goal: to meet or exceed the customer's expectations every time. We know that when it comes to getting your job done, time is of the essence. Project deadlines are often tight, and waiting around for the equipment you need can cause delays that compromise your schedule. At ReadyArc, we want to be sure that when you're ready to weld, we're ready too. That means that we're working with you to develop a plan from start to finish. From your account manager staying engaged with you throughout the planning process to utilizing the expertise of our in-house welding specialists to help you explore the potential of a variety of applications, to delivering quality equipment on time and ready to perform. You can rest assured that the ReadyArc team is comprised of qualified, trained service professionals and specialists who are focused on equipping you to conquer any job with confidence and precision.